In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Chrome won't open or launch on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Goes to the Windows search bar and simply type Chrome. Then you have to make a right click and then you have to select Open File Location. And then right click, select Show More Options. And then you have to click on this option, Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. Now we have created a new shortcut. So right click on the old shortcut, select delete, and then right click on the new shortcut, rename it. You can name this to Google Chrome again, and then double click, and this will be pretty fine. Okay. Then for the next method is we have to right click on the Google Chrome desktop icon, select show more options, and then click on the properties. Now click on the compatibility tab, and here you'll find this option, run this program in compatibility mode for. Then choose the latest version, which is Windows 8, and then simply click on apply, click on OK, and just try to open the Google Chrome after that. Next method, press Windows key and R button together, and here I'm going to paste the path. Don't worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. Now you'll find the default folder, right click and then select copy. So you need to copy this first and then paste it right here on the desktop for backup. Okay? Then what we have to do, we need to go back to that path, then right click and then select delete. Okay? And you'll find that in the recycle bin. So open the recycle bin and empty it. And that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.